Hello family, greetings to you all and welcome back to my channel. It's your brother Chief Lamashawiya Persiwulana sending my peaceful and warmly greetings to you all from Tamale, the northern part of Ghana. How are you doing? How is your day going? And how is your Christmas celebrations going? To my brothers and sisters who celebrate Christmas, I wish you all Merry Christmas and a prosperous New Year in advance. I hope and pray that all the prayers that you're going to make during this Christmas for all of us is going to come to reality. And I also pray that the Almighty God and our ancestors will continue to bless us and give us the best of protection, as well as good health, abundance of wealth, and abundance of patience, knowledge, and wisdom. So today, I'm going to share with you a very important information. But before I continue to share this information with you, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you are new on my channel. Click on the notifications bell so that you wouldn't be able to miss my videos that I'm going to post. You'll get notifications to the videos that I'll be posting. And then go ahead and share my contents with your families and friends, as well as give my videos a thumbs up. That is, like my videos. It's for free. Alright, so family, today I'm gonna share with you how we do our laundry here. And talking about how we do our laundry, I'm talking about, when our clothes is dirty, where we get it washed, like where we bring it to wash. Some people have washing machines at their homes, and some people doesn't have washing machines at their homes. And I'm one of those who don't have washing machine at my home. It is simply because I'm very busy and I don't have time for all of this. So usually when my clothes is dirty, this is where I bring it. I always bring my dirty clothes to Nduba Laundry Services. Nduba Laundry Services. And the owner of this particular business is called Brother Mustafa. As you can see him in the video, busily working. Brother Mustafa, ya ade, ya aiki, ya kowa da kowa. Brother Mustafa is from here, but he spent most of his life in Nigeria. So that is where he learned all of this job. And one thing that I want you to know is that we have to promote black-owned business. We have to promote black-owned businesses. This is because when we promote our brothers and sisters' businesses, their businesses will grow. And then when we also show this kind of information, it will make people see where they are, get to know where they can get their clothes washed. They can get to locate, places that they do laundry, especially in Tamale. So to some of you who don't know much about where you have to get your clothes washed, that is where to get a laundry service, this video is very important for you. If you are a stranger that you live in Tamale, or if you are a native of Tamale, or if you reside in Tamale, this video is very, very informative to you. So I'm gonna ask him a couple of questions, but before I do that, I'm gonna show you the name to his business and then his contact information so that you can get to contact him. He is free. He's a very free and a very good man. He don't care if you call him. He will just rush to your house, take your clothing, and then come and wash it very neat and iron it very well for you. So keep watching. Thank you. So sorry, it's ninth time here, but as you can see, that is the name to his business, Nduba Laundry Services, and these are his contact informations. All of these contact informations, when you contact him, you're gonna get him. And this is his shop. As you can see him very, very busily working. So like I'm saying, this brother has just come here to get his clothing. Yes, so this brother has just got in to get his clothing that he brought here to be washed. And then as you can see, he's still ironing it. Yeah. So Brother Mustafa, yes, sir. I think this brother has been working with you for a while. Yes. Okay. So how do you see his job?
It's nice.
His job is nice.
He's trying his best,
he's
doing it nicely. Right, if you come to someone and the person do you well, you will not come back again.
Exactly.
Actually, you will go back because we have a lot of laundry around here. We have some here, some are day, some day top.
Okay.
So if you come and you do it well, now you will check different one.
Exactly.
So,
Exactly.
I will make my things
Yes.
nice for me.
Okay, that's good. That's good. So I have this brother here who also come for his clothing, and I'm asking him some more questions about brother Mustafa's business, because I want to have some more evidence about his customer service. So my brother, welcome.
Thank you very much.
So you have been working with this brother I think for a long time. So what are your experiences about his work?
The issue, the thing is just simple. Like he's friendly, and the way he does his things, you won't get it elsewhere.
Ah.
Yeah, because when you come here, he makes sure that every dirt that is in your dress, you make sure that that dirt is out.
Wow.
You will bring your things here. At the end of the day, you will think that it's a new one.
Oh really?
Yes.
Oh, he did that to me.
Yes.
See, this is my dress here. You can see that.
Yes.
That is my smokes there. The traditional attires
I
that we
do. I
wear.
do bring mine here too.
Yeah.
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 So it's not one man business. A lot of people are coming.
Oh wow.
And I'm encouraging others to come.
Oh okay.
Yeah. So that at the end of the day, they themselves they will testify that apart from here, I don't think you will see another laundry
Okay.
elsewhere.
So for the fact that you live in this community, how would you direct people to come here?
It's just simple. You know, there are so many
Like
directions.
when someone is from downtown, coming here.
Yeah. So I would just say that from national area roundabout.
Industrial area.
Yeah, you proceed to Bladewater.
Junction.
Yeah, Bladewater junction. Then you take your left. Then you come a little bit ahead. Then you ask of Obey House.
Obey House.
Yeah, Obey House.
Yeah.
So when you stand at the junction at Obey House, then you see another junction going to Zujum.
Zujung.
As soon as you get to Zujum Borone,
Mm-hmm.
there's you wouldn't even ask anyone again.
Okay.
Yeah, you already, once you mention laundry, they will bring you here.
Okay, that's good.
Yeah.
Charlie, thank you so much for coming.
You're welcome.
And one thing I like about his job is that look at how he's ironing the dress. It looks like brand new one.
Yes.
It looks like just brand new one. And look at how he packaged his
That is
his-
the most beautiful part of his work.
Yeah. Yeah, so the last time when he packaged my dresses and brought it to my house, he also do house delivery.
Yes.
He
yes.
do home deliveries.
Yes.
When your clothes is dirty, he will come for it he will come to your house for it, and then when he come for it, when he finish everything, he brings
bring
it
it,
back to
yes.
you. That's one thing I like about
And
his job.
and one interesting thing is that where he's located, no, there is no dust.
Yeah.
There's no dust, and you can see that his shop is well covered. So
Yeah,
at
it's
the end
very
of the day,
neat.
there is no dust that would destroy your white clothes or anything.
Yeah.
So at the end of the day, you can see that he will then put it inside a nice rubber. So assuming this one, assuming that this is an already used smoke, but like the way he has packaged it, you might think that it's a new one.
Yeah.
You see?
Yeah.
So he has a special way that he does his things.
And he's very serious.
Yes,
When he's
yes,
working,
yes,
he's very
yes.
focused.
Yes.
All right, brother Mustafa.
Yeah.
Now I'm coming back to you, though you are busy.
Yeah.
How did you learn this job?
Yes, I started over there in Nigeria. You know,
Which part of Nigeria?
Kaduna State.
Kaduna
Yeah,
State.
Yeah. That time I was a student learning, you know. Then due to the hard times, you know, there is a man that he was having a laundry over there. So after school hours, I used to go to his place and then, you know, so that I should get something small to take care of myself.
Okay.
So from there, I realized that with this business, I can make something.
It can make you survive.
That's
So
nice.
quite apart from this laundry business, do you have any profession again?
Definitely for now, they know that is just what I focus on because I thank God for it.
Okay. So do you have any knowledge about any kind of education? Like
Yes, I'm a computer engineer.
you are what?
Computer engineer.
A computer engineer.
I do hardware. No matter how your computer damage, you know, if it's not that kind of, we can fix it up some, you know. and then networking. I also network.
So you left all of this to do?
All of this one because I believe with this one, if I take good care of my customers, I'll make it.
Oh wow, that's interesting. That's interesting. So family, this is one thing that I've been telling you all the time on my channel. Everything is not about the education that you got at the school. Sometimes when you learn a hand trade, that one will be much beneficial than any other thing else. So this is one thing that I have to let everybody know. Well, getting education is good, working for the government is good, but above all, working for yourself is the best. So that is the most, that is the business that you can do and really live a good self-sufficient life. Like this work he's doing. At the end of the day, the money he makes, the only bill he has to pay is his electricity bill and then water bill. Quite apart from these two bills, nothing goes nowhere. No one comes here to tax him. Does the government tax you for your job?
Of course.
Yes, they do.
Do they tax you?
Yeah, they do.
Oh, really?
Yes.
So you pay income tax?
Yes.
Oh, but that is not a problem because you know what? That is what the government uses to take care of our rules and several
I always
things.
pay it because I knew that I have to also serve my country.
That is good.
That is it.
I like that. I like your vibes. So family, as you can see, this is just some small tip that I'm gonna share with you about where to locate Brother Mustapha. When you are from taxi rank in Tamale or when you are from downtown, pick up a taxi or pick up a yellow or when you are driving.
Tax receipt that I paid this.
Oh, so that's your tax
Yeah,
receipt.
for this year.
Oh, that's good. I'm proud of you. So when you are from town, when you pick up a yellow or when you pick up a taxi or when you are driving, when you will take the Tamale Accra highway. When you reach a place called Village Water Junction, stop there and then turn left. When you come ahead, you see that there's another junction that it's kind of T junction. So at the T junction, you stop and then head towards south. When you head towards south, you come across a particular junction again, then you stop there. It's called Zujung Borini. Zujung Borini. Hear the name, Zujung Borini. When you reach there, then you just ask of where the laundry is. It is the laundry that is very close to that place. So family, his number is also there, but I'll let him mention his number again. So your number, brother?
059 6268 211. 059 6268 211.
Okay. So I'm doing this because it is a must for us to promote our own businesses. And by doing that, we have to also help others who wants to locate where they do laundry in town. So this is one video that I have to make for everybody who is traveling to Tamale or people who reside in Tamale or people who has plans to come to Tamale in the future. When you are here, you can easily locate this brother and he will do your job for you 100%. So Brother Mustapha, your last message to people who will be coming here.
Yes, I will be happy and then I promise everyone. For me, I take care of my customers. I will make sure when I work for you, definitely you invite your brother or your sister or your friend
to come
and also do and then experience this kind of this.
All right.
Thank you very, very much.
Okay, you're welcome. And my brother, as you've been working with him for some time, what is your last message to people who will be bringing
my last message is that everybody, wherever you are, come here and experience the good work that he's doing.
Okay. All right.
If you come here, definitely, it is a must. You will bring another person here.
Okay.
Because you become overjoyed with the good work that he has done for you.
Yeah. And to those who did not come for their packages yet, you see how he keep them. He keep them at a very nice place so that they will come for their items. So thank you so much for watching and thank you so much for your time. Once again, I'm wishing everyone a Merry Christmas, a happy and prosperous New Year in advance, and don't even forget to share these contents because someone is elsewhere in Tamale looking for a place to do his laundry. Thank you so much for your time. Till we meet again, it's your brother Chief Lamashewiya Palsiwulana, also known as Prince Ayoko, sending my peaceful and warmly greetings to you all. Stay blessed, enjoy yourself, enjoy your celebrations, and be safe. Have a wonderful day. Peace.
This last I beg.